Hey guys, what is up? Okay, in my last video, I did a period, how to make your little period kit. Well, now I'm going to be showing you guys my period storage. So I have this box here and this box here. So these two boxes are my period storage. Let's start with the big box. This holds nothing but period supplies. Okay. So push those in there. Alright, so first I have just normal always pads. I personally don't like these because they feel like rough. But they're here, so no getting rid of them now. Unless I throw them away, but you know, that would be extremely wasteful. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm trying to fix a little situation that just happened in my box. Oh, a fight broke down in my box. Yeah, that's a thing. Most people are like, what in the world are you talking about? It's a metaphor. Like a fight broke down in my... Never mind. I give up on trying to explain myself. Okay. So these are the Carefree Active Fresh with odor neutralizers all day. These are regular. These are actually really nice. They say they're not scented, but I'm pretty sure they are scented. Which I like scented. My mom says that scented is bad because it mixes with your period and it makes it smell even worse. But I don't believe that. So these are always regulars. No, just kidding. These are always... Let me check. Okay, these are always mediums. Yes, these are mediums. These I like to wear at nighttime because they're a little bit thicker than my... Look, see, like that? You can't tell because there's a black mark. But that's like from here to here. That's how big that actually is. Hold on, let me... So it's bigger than my normal pads. Okay. And these are the Always Totally Teen. These are so soft. Like, oh my god, these are so soft. These are my favorites. Okay. These are the U by Kotex tween pads. These are super short and small. So these are good for beginners that have light periods. I like these very well. I actually really like these. Okay. And that's it for that. Oh, and let me give you guys an overview. That's how all that fits in there. I'm gonna get rid of some of these. Not rid of, but like use. There. Okay, so here's this one, which is a smaller box. It only has like, Okay. These are scented. I've actually never worn these, so I actually don't know. Hold on. I'm just trying to make sure that I get the names right. So, give me a second. Hold on, guys. Alright, I always cut out the names. Like, see, so if I'm making a video, I get the name right. So, these are Always Radiant. These are scented like lavender. Oh my god. These smell so good. I know it's weird, like me sitting here sniffing pads, but they do. They're scented. It's not my fault that they're scented and that they smell good. Back here. Okay. And then I have these. These are the Always Fresh Daily Thin Actives panty liners. And those are all of the those okay. Those are all the pads. Now I'm gonna show you. Sorry that I keep on looking back. My cat is like, be crazy. Hercules, come here, baby. Come here. Come on. You heard me. Come on. Get out of my closet. Alright. So, like I was saying. Oh. Also, I forgot to tell you guys about tampons. I have the what do you even get? Okay, so I have the Super Plus, which these are way too big for me, but for the future, always plan for the future. I have the Super Plus U by Kotex tampon, and then I have a Tampax Light, but it has a cardboard applicator, so basically none of my tampons are good. And then I have these little, like the ones with no, crap, what am I trying to say? With no applicator. There. Alright, so now I have just some fun things in here. So, I have this quote, because when you get your period, you're gonna like always be sad and you're gonna feel bad about yourself. So I put, "You're so nice and beautiful," in there. And then this isn't, like, it's a squishy. Yes, oh my gosh, I'm not trying to be relatable. Like, all, like, what, 10-year-olds, I'm guessing, do squishies. Yes, this is a squishy, but I'm not like, squishies, look, it's so rising slow. It's slow rising or whatever. Like, I'm not like that, okay? This is for if I get angry, because mood swings, you know, PMS. It's not slow rising. It's like kind of fast rising. You can, am I squishing it like the professionals? I don't know. But yeah, it's for stress, okay? Not for relatable squishy stuff. Okay, so and then I have this lotion, okay, and it's special lotion because I made it myself, and I put lavender in it, like lavender oil stuff, and it smells good. And when you're on your period, sometimes, most times, you want to relax. So get your lotion, put some on you, on your face maybe, because I made sure it was face safe. So put some on your face so you can smell it and just relax. Or maybe even just like put some anywhere and relax because it smells really good. And lavender is actually supposed to help you relax. And then I have this. Guess what this is full of? Chocolate Skittles. And I'm not sure about you guys, but I love to read. So I have actually had this book since 4th grade. Oh my god, that was such... I have had this since 4th grade and I'm still not done reading it. Life is good. Life is good. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's about it. That wraps this up. Love you guys so much. Stay tuned till another video, and